I think just about every iPhone user has probably run into that awful message when it says iPhone full, no more storage available. If you're trying to do an update or download an app, or maybe just save a video on your phone, it's really annoying when that happens. But fear not, if we jump into settings and then go on to general, from here we can choose iPhone storage. Now on this screen you'll get a quick overview at the top of how much space you've used, and a rough idea of what that space has been used on, photos, videos, books, that sort of thing. And we can also scroll down to get some quick recommendations to quickly free up a chunk of space. For me, my main recommendation is to review the large attachments I've had through messages, and actually tapping on here shows that I've got the same video attachment saved several times. I don't need two versions of this, each one is 600 megabytes plus, so I'm simply going to swipe it and then press delete. I can do this on a few large attachments, and that will quickly give me a nice bit of space back. But of course I can also look at the apps on my device itself, and if I scroll down on that iPhone storage page, it will show the apps by their size, largest at the top. For me, a lot of these apps are quite important, I don't want to delete them, but it might be a prompt to look in later and maybe delete a few podcasts or delete a few videos I don't need. But if I tap on this option and then sort by last used, I can scroll right the way down to the bottom of my list, which takes quite a while when you've got this many apps, and I can find ones that I perhaps haven't used in a very, very long time that maybe I've even forgotten I've got on my device. From here I can simply tap through to the app and I can press delete, and that again will save some space for me. But maybe there's an app that I use sometimes but not that often that I don't want to completely delete, like Sonos. I use this app sometimes when I visit a friend's house, but I don't need it at home very often. So rather than deleting the app, if I tap onto it, I can choose to offload this app. Now what this will do is it will delete the app file, but not all of my settings and my accounts that I use in that app. If I wanted to use Sonos in the future, I'd simply have to search on my iPhone for it, and tap on it once, and that will re-download the app, and when it opens it will be exactly as I left it, signed into all of my services. And that's a very quick guide to freeing up some more storage on your iPhone. If you want more iPhone tips, please subscribe to this channel, and if you fancy some iPad or Mac tips, there are links down below to my other channels as well. I'll see you all next time.